Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to redeem your gift card on JD Sports. JD Sports is the leading sneaker and sport fashion retailer with many limited edition and exclusive designs from Adidas Originals and Nike and many more. So without further ado, go ahead and open a web browser of your choice and in the search bar type down jdsports.co.uk and hit the enter button. Then within the matter of seconds, you'll be redirected to JD Sports homepage. In this page, you can see various options just above the yellow bar, which is men, women, kids, accessories, and many more. So I'm going ahead and randomly selecting the women's section and I'm selecting on trainers. If you do that too, you'll be redirected to a page something like this. Now I'm scrolling down and selecting a random product. I'm selecting Adidas Original Star Smith Women's. If you do that too, you'll be redirected to another page something like this. In this page, go ahead and select your size. After that, go ahead and click on Add to Basket. After that, you'll be redirected to another page and then you can see the option of checkout securely. So on this page, scroll down to the bottom and on the right side, you can see add gift card on the bottom. Just click on the drop down icon. Then a menu like this will pop up beneath it. Type down your gift card number on the gift card number box and beneath it, type down the 4-digit PIN. After you do that, click on apply on the right side of the 4-digit PIN box. Doing that will redeem your gift card on JD Sports. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.